is committed to killing.
Oh my God. Good video. Yeah, good video.
You can't come up with a good idea. Fuck it, dude.
Hold on, girls, hold on. Hold on.
Hey, dude.
So, once these pretrial motions are ruled on, snapped back to attention, what happens?
Well, what happens in the courtroom is that the trial begins. The first trial of an American president is now in session. And what marks that beginning is jurors.
Ребенка успокаивает по заднице. Стат.
Так она ему классно.
Стоим первые, подъехали очень близко, нам практически не видно вот этого светофора. То есть сколько секунд. Опа! Ни хрена себе.
Audi A3 otomatik parkı deniyoruz. Hadi bakalım. Frenden hiçbir şeye basmıyorum şu an.
thought it was just somebody. I guess
Truck is going way too fast. We'll get it.
I was sliding forever.
I was right though. Like.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Don't let somebody walk. Oh, this never works. No. Sorry, I'm on the inside lane, and the person in front of me is letting the car turn left in front of us. So now, here we go. Boom. God, yeah, there's an accident. Like, yeah.
Not okay, and should never be minimized in the sense of, well, statistically it's just so.
God damn.
You know, if you look at any other product's liability, it's taken.